Imagine translating your website into over 65 languages. Better yet, imagine choosing exactly which pages to translate from every page to the most important ones. I'm here to tell you that it is possible. In this video, I'll show you exactly how MotaWord Active works, how to preview your website in multiple languages, and how to obtain a quick budget for your project. Let's get right into it. First, let's talk about how MotaWord Active works. All you have to do is choose your integration method to match your site's technology, and we'll guide you through the rest of the process. If you're not entirely sure about how to proceed, we can also help you figure it out. We can even build a new integration for your specific case. With that said, the following are the integrations that are currently available. Most of them are incredibly simple, since all you have to do is copy a snippet of code we provide in a specific part of your website's code or configuration pages. Of course, it depends on the method, and admittedly there are a couple that are a little bit more complex, but none of them will take longer than a couple of minutes to set up. Once it's done, all you have to do is refresh your website and you will see the Active widget on the bottom left of the page. When the pages are translated, you can start editing your translations and configuring your localization experience on your MotaWord dashboard. Now let's talk about what the process looks like exactly. The first step is very simple. You must subscribe to one of our plans. Every plan includes our AI-powered translation technology, which can instantly translate your entire website. The difference between the plans is in the scale and features: how many languages you can choose from, the number of domains you can connect, the number of pages you can translate, and additional features like detailed analytics, multilingual live chat, multilingual search, and more. You choose the plan that matches your goals. Once you're subscribed, we'll work with you to connect your website to MotaWord Active. In just minutes, you'll have a live multilingual version of your website ready for visitors in those new markets. All this and more thanks to the power of AI. Now, there's a third optional step. While our AI is highly advanced and accurate, sometimes you want that extra human touch, especially for pages that are critical to your business. That's why we offer optional human proofreading and post-editing. Our professional editors, who are native speakers and experts in each language, can refine every word, image, caption, alt text, and more. You choose how much editing you want, so you stay in control of quality, speed, and cost. And because you're a MotaWord Active client, you also get a 10% discount on this service. Now let's talk about the advantages of using MotaWord Active. MotaWord Active is built with multilingual SEO best practices, so your website has the best chances of ranking in each of the target languages. If you choose to add human post editing, you also unlock powerful savings through translation memory, as well as the ability to use glossaries and style guides to keep your brand voice consistent across all languages. And finally, we offer 24/7 support, so you can reach out to us for any problem you might have. Now here's the fun part. You can try out MotaWord Active right now for free, and here's how you can do it. Go to motaword.com/subscription, paste the link to your website. From there, you can click on Analyze Website to instantly see your translation options and receive a quick quote tailored to your website. Or you can click the Preview button, choose from 3 available preview languages, and watch your site appear in that language instantly. No sign up, no payment, just proof of how powerful and fast MotaWord Active is. If you have any questions, you can book a live demo or chat with us right on our site. Our team is available 24/7 and we'll be happy to guide you through the process. So if you're ready to expand your reach, improve your customer experience, and go global, MotaWord Active is ready for you. And that's it for this video. If you found this video useful, please share, like, and subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.